everyone! Welcome to another tutorial video of Layers. I'm Mata from Layers, and in this video I'll show you how to manage payment settings in Layers.app. There are two payment methods, manual and online payment. Manual payment enables your customers to place orders without having to do the payment right away. This way, a request for this order will be sent to your admin panel or the operators in the workshop. These orders can be finalized and registered only after it is confirmed by your staff. Offering online payment is possible through your preferred gateway, for example, PayPal or Stripe. And by choosing this method, your customers will be able to place online orders 24/7. To set up your payment method, go to layers.app/admin and click on Settings, and then click on Payments. In this page, click on Add New Payment Method. Type the name of the method you intend to offer. For example, type Cash on Delivery or PayPal. Then specify if it is online or manual. We continue by choosing the manual method. In the next field, you have to enter the description, including the detail of this payment method and the information your customers need to know. Note that this description is visible to your customers in checkout page. You can also allow cash on delivery option to allow order placement without confirmation of your team. This way, customers can make the payment when they receive the order either by cash or any other preferred method you choose. When you check this box, the orders registered with this payment method will be placed directly in the registered list. So now let's add the online payment method. In online payment methods, enter different information depending on the solution you use for online payment. For example, for Stripe you have to enter public key and secret key, or for PayPal you should enter client ID and client secret. You can find information about these items on Stripe and PayPal website. Hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to watch videos about how to manage tax.